How to transform objects with Transform Node in Fusion page in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a Fusion composition to my timeline. Move the playhead above the composition, and open up the Fusion page. Open up the Media pool and drag a media into composition. Here I used an image as my media in. Then drag a Transform node. Attach media into Transform and Transform to Media out. Select the Transform node and open up Inspector panel. We can use this Transform node to change position, resize, and rotate the media in. Here I used an image as my media in, but the media in can be anything like a video or any other node. So, you can drag a background node into the media in to replace it, and then transform it with the Transform node. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.